Gambia has told the International Court of Justice Myanmar can't be trusted to hold its soldiers accountable for alleged atrocities against its Rohingya Muslim minority. The claim has been made on the third and final day of the hearings in The Hague. Gambia's lead lawyer has told the court measures to stop the violence need to be taken immediately.
Gambia brought the suit at the International Court of Justice under the 1948 Genocide Convention. It's asking judges to order provisional measures that would act as a kind of restraining order for the Myanmar military until the case is heard in full.
Myanmar's de facto leader, Aung San Suu Kyi, her team will have several hours to present a final statement later tonight. Europe correspondent Nina Maria Potts joins us now. More on this. Nina, what were Gambia's main arguments at today's hearing?
Well, first of all, there's been overwhelming reaction to Aung San Suu Kyi's testimony yesterday, with her critics saying that it's been legalistic and devoid of humanity. And that was, I think, a perception that Gambia's defense team really zeroed in on, led by top international lawyer Philip Sands. He brought back into focus in his closing arguments Aung San Suu Kyi's claim or appeal that Myanmar should be allowed to hold its own soldiers accountable, with Gambia arguing ferociously that Myanmar, as you say, cannot be trusted to hold the judicial process inside its borders. So really that was the emphasis in the legal arguments presented by Gambia this morning, and we don't yet know whether Aung San Suu Kyi herself will appear this afternoon to make her closing argument as well.
So we're not sure whether Ms. Aung San Suu Kyi and her team will appear this evening. So what happens after today's hearing then?
Well, Myanmar does have the floor this afternoon. We just don't know whether Aung San Suu Kyi herself will answer or rather present her case once again in a closing argument. I think she is going to have a difficult job in changing a perception by critics that she's somehow impassive and unemotional. Gambia and Gambia's defense team really went back to listing grave crimes, mass killings, mass rape, mass torture, and again described those crimes in great detail. And Aung San Suu Kyi has been criticized for, as I say, presenting an impassive face and putting an impassive face on her testimony. So she may have a difficult time if she does appear in person to change that perception. So it wouldn't be uncommon for her to appear herself. The Gambian Justice Minister appeared towards the end of Gambia's session this morning, so she may well appear, but I think it's going to be a difficult climb for her.
All right, thanks for that. Nina Maria Potts speaking to us from Brussels.